Hello to all the creative ones watching this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these beauties, the gladiolus flowers. For this tutorial, I'm going to take one of my favorite colors, which is called the dusty plum. Personally, I like this color because the flowers with this color look more natural. For this flower, you will need the corrugated paper, glue, scissors, the wire, and of course the stem. We will start from cutting the paper into pieces. And on the screen you may see the exact sizes of the papers that you need. Don't forget to stretch the edges of the paper so that the flower could look more real. You can also use the seeds of different colors. Here I use the green color, white, yellow, pink, anything you like. Any color is also acceptable here. I also use the acrylic white color to paint the edges of the flowers for it to be more tinted and also to look more natural. You need to use the wire so that the flower could be easily attached to the stem. Apart from making flowers, I also like to make different bugs of different sizes. Again, it makes the flower more real. The final step is to attach all the flowers and all the buds to the stem. Also, don't forget to cover the stem with the green paper. You can take the stem of different length, but I take the length which is a little bit bigger than in reality. The flowers look so real that sometimes people can come to me and ask where I get such huge flowers. So here you may see this beauty, super fast, super easy, super real. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more DIY vlogs.